Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy to have you here today. I am outside in the heart of nature, as Ralph Smart says. And above me are some lilac bushes or trees that have grown up. So I am going to show you today in this video how to make lilac syrup from these amazing flowers. But before we get started, y'all get over here, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below where I have my link tree, which links to everything that is me. And right now I am running a super special on my 10-month home herbalist program. It's available in my Etsy shop. So if you go in that link tree, you click on my Etsy shop, go over there, it's the featured item. And you can always send me a message on my website, sheephillherbs.com, sign up for my newsletter, or ask me any question you want to ask. So let's look at these lilacs. Okay, so they are not quite in full bloom. As you can see, some of the open flowers and then the darker parts are the closed, but I feel like I often miss the perfect full bloom space, and so I am picking them right now, and I'm going to in the next clip share with you the benefits of lilac and then the syrup that we're going to make and how to do it and how you would use it. So I have before me this delicious bowl of lilacs, so fragrant, delicate, such a beautiful spring flower. Okay, so we are indoors now, and I have my bowl of collected lilacs, and they smell heavenly. But I must say, I think they have the most delicious fragrance on a sunny day, and it is a cloudy day, so I feel like they're not quite as fragrant as they could be. So I'm just going to set that down, but I will be using these flowers to make the lilac syrup that I have in mind for today. So what about, just put that one right there for now. Lilac, Syringa family. It's in the common species vulgaris and related to the olive. So it is not native to the New World. People, immigrants from Europe, brought shrubs, branches that could be replanted to the Americas as a reminder of something from home. People often have a very vivid connection to lilacs because of this wonderful fragrance and scent. So does it have medicinal properties? It is astringent and it is it's aromatic, and it's relaxing in its fragrance. It is mainly a fragrant herb or used for aromatherapy purposes. I think that each plant has its go-to job, and because lilac is so delicious in its scent, that really is its go-to job in my opinion. So it's for relaxation, it's for calming, it's for the nervous system. Lilac means, or its symbolism has been love and protection and romance. So interestingly, white lilacs were considered unlucky. The reason for this superstition was that there was a practice of using white lilacs to mask the scent of death. So before funeral homes, it was very common for people to pass at home, and hospitals and ambulances to pass at home, and then there would be this like wake period of time where family members would visit the home and say their goodbyes. And so the lilacs were used in that masking of scent and that aroma and that feeling of death in the home. So this was found in certain English districts, And it didn't occur with the purple or pink lilac flowers. Lilac flowers are known to banish or get rid of negative energies. Plant them around your property to keep out those who may wish to do you harm. They also, if you have a lilac flower essence, they have breakthrough energy. They kick or punch out the cold, the winter, and bring you into spring. So there is other folklore about lilacs, and you will find them on old properties by outhouses. And they will be planted around the outhouse. And you wish they would grow all year round, because the outhouse obviously needs to have some fragrance year round, but in the spring they're there blooming and you'll find them. And if the outhouse is no longer there, you may be able to deduce that that's where one may have been if you find a whole row of lilacs. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make lilac syrup, and I'm going to use honey. First, I'm going to make a tea, a strong tea with the lilacs. And how would you use this? Well, you could put it on pancakes. You could use it on waffles, maybe a little bit into some dressing, drizzling it onto some fruit, or just taking like a quarter teaspoon a day, just for that feeling of love, that feeling of protection, and that feeling of romance. Because I don't talk about this a lot, we attract what we vibrate. So we don't really attract necessarily our thoughts, we attract our vibration. And that is a little bit deeper than our conscious thoughts. We're getting into the subconscious. So plants can help to change the vibration and to bring in that attraction of, let's say, love or romance. All right, we're going to head over to the kitchen. So I have my lilac flowers in the pot, a stainless steel pot, and I am going to cover with cool, high quality water, and then I'm going to put it on the stove and start the temperature like a low, a little bit higher than low, but not quite medium, and lightly simmer. And we're going to simmer till this is a nice purple color. Okay, my water is in here, and it just covers the flowers, and I'm going to turn my stove on, and we will be back in a few minutes. So you can see the flowers are spent. They are pale in color, and I'm going to pour the tea into a jar, and you'll be able to see the color. Not as rich in purple as, let's say, you know, the color of hibiscus, or you know, some of the more delicate flower petals like rose. They don't make as bright of a tea color as the more dense herbs. So here is 1 cup of the lilac tea, and it made a very pretty pink color. And to make a syrup, I'm going to add 1 cup of honey, so it will be equal parts. Beautiful, fragrant. Can't wait to try it. Delicious. So you taste your teas like fine wines, kind of swish it in your mouth to taste the subtleties. And the honey you use will be part of the flavor. So it's the sweetness of the lilac and the sweetness of the honey. It would go great in some lemonade. So you want to balance so it's not so much sweetness. Perfect in combination with something a little bit tart. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, come back again soon, and check out my description down below for my links. Especially look into my Etsy shop, and you can use sheep15 at checkout for 15% off orders of $35 or more. So thanks, and come again soon.